Okay, so in order to use Microsoft Copilot, you need to use Microsoft Edge, the browser. Okay, once you download the browser, this is what you see. And you see in the top bar here, there's a little icon, like this little colorful icon that says Copilot. Okay, so notice there's some changes. Actually, this is the version 2. Copilot no longer has the ability to have these 3 buttons whereby you want precise, creative, or in between. So this page, if you notice right now, if I say create an image of us. Okay, so if I do this, so Copilot will say that I cannot create any images. Okay, so what I want you to see is that go to the right-hand column. There's this designer. Okay, and before I move on, I would actually strongly recommend that you sign up Hotmail or Outlook account so that when you use Copilot, do sign in. When you sign in, you notice on the right-hand panel, there has a history of your chats with Copilot. So it's good to have in the background or what's your previous conversation. Okay. So in order to create images, now you actually have to go to designer. Okay, now you can see designer. It's no longer Copilot, it's designer, but it still sits under the Copilot tab. I'm sure there might be some changes, improvements, but just understand the gist of it is that designer is a subset of Copilot. Okay, so when you go to designer, you see create any images you want. So for the same prompt right now, I'm going to say create an image of a classroom. And this is the interface whereby the images will start to appear. Okay, now you see there's no more error message. Just give you a couple of seconds. And if you notice while it's loading, there's 1 of 30 here. That means it says that you can continue this thread of conversation up to 30 times, right? When it's over, you should create a new topic and start all over again. Okay, so now the images are created. And good thing to note is that this is actually powered by DALL-E 3, which if you were to use OpenAI, this might be a paid subscription. So whichever you like, just click onto it. A new page will pop up. If you're happy with this picture, you can immediately click on the download button. But what I really want to share with you is that with Copilot, you actually have the ability to customize. Again, if this option, this button, customize doesn't show up, it's a security setting by your IT department. So this is something perhaps you might need to seek approval to get access. If not, you should be able to see all these buttons, download and even customize. Okay. So when you can customize, notice there's lots of AI tools can do background blur, just a click and something happens. Whoa, that's pretty good, right? And if you notice on the right-hand side, there's actually some pretty cool layout. I mean, I always like this Polaroid effect. And with this Polaroid effect, what you can do is you can also add text. You go to the left-hand corner, there's a text. You can basically select text and then you can just double click at it as if you're using a PowerPoint one in school. And then you can always adjust the size of the text, right? And if you're happy with it, you can change the color, purple, green, you know, this looks good. And once you're done, you can just click download. What's a good, cool feature is that sometimes it's a bit hidden. You just have to play around with it. If you click on this little download arrow, you can notice there's a resize option. And this is really cool because you can resize it according to the platforms that you might want to post to. For instance, if I want to go for Instagram story or reel, it's a bit longish. You notice it changes, right? There's so many options to choose from, even on LinkedIn, Pinterest, pretty good. So it starts to resize. You can choose to resize in the current tab or new tab. So basically you can resize and replace. Okay, once you're happy with this, you can download it to your computer and your various option, PNG, JPEG, PDF, and then that's it. So apparently you can also use AI for caption. So if you are connected to your various social media, you can easily actually push it out to your accounts. Let's see. User get engagement, anyone in class. So they have some captions that you can actually use it. That's how it look like. If you want to go on a Facebook account, that's how it would look like. it'll be on the top part because of the different layout in different social media platform. There's even hashtag that you can incorporate. So if you scroll down, I think you should see. Okay, so this is a really cool feature from Copilot. And I think you can't see it on a desktop, but you can also download Microsoft Bing on a mobile device. Let's try, you see. Yep, so you see, yes, you can download it the mobile for iOS or Android. And actually, if you're on the mobile device, you will see that you have the option to turn on Copilot and have it be powered by ChatGPT 4. Okay, so at point of recording, this is still free. This might change in time to come, but while it's there, make use of it because it integrates with the ability to do your customization, which is part of Microsoft Copilot Designer. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have fun with Microsoft